Good morning. I posted a video that talked about what tangents were, and now I want to talk about the sheet that you're going to go through today, and the second bullet point that talks to you about how we see tangents and how we can calculate with tangents is this. It says if two segments from the exterior of a circle are tangent to that circle, then they're congruent. And what it means is if two lines connect, they intersect out here, right? These two segments that intersect, if they're both tangent to that circle, then they have to be congruent, because as the circle goes around, it's those tangent lines can converge. And once they converge, because they're from that same circle and they're tangent because the radius here is perpendicular to that point, right? And that's how we know that a line is tangent, because the radius is perpendicular to that line that only touches in one spot. So when those lines converge, just like here, these tangent lines converge, then this has to be the same as this. Now that's going to be helpful in our work today, because a lot of these things are going to show just two lines coming out here and intersecting, and we're going to know that those two things are tangent. So I'm going to move down the page a little bit. I'm looking at it over here so I know how to take care of this for you. And I want to talk about the first problem on the first exercise on the page. Maybe I'll do the second one. The second one's easy. So I'll just do the first problem on the page, and then I'll let you do number 3. Number 3 is the same way, only easier. So this is the first one on the page. Says this is x plus 7. Here we go, expressions again, great. And I lied. I apologize. It's x plus 3 and then 7 down here. Now, if these two things are congruent, then all we have to do is stick an equal sign in between them and then solve the equation. This is x plus 3 equals 7. And you can solve that. You already know that x equals 4. And then if you put a 4 in up here, it's the same as that down there. So there's that. There's number 1 for you. I'm going to post another idea momentarily. But I think you can get through number 1 and number 3 this way, and then I'll get you through the 2, 4, 5, and 6 in the next video.